Mad sus. Me see in the comment section. I say thank God for TikTok. Mad sus, don't thank God for TikTok, you know. Thank God for Vybz Kartel like dog.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
Chronic law. You never rest and done till you upgrade your badness. But you also upgrade your prison time. Out on you? What? You tell Sidem say you can't bother marry that? What? Sidem realize who you really is? What? Sidem can't manage a drunkard and a what wrong?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Dear Gaza fans, when you sit down and watch, when you top blogger, yeah, the one that did a ball for Lion, come at J Progress more than once, and have a run. And I have been getting so many comments under my videos from the Gaza cockroach them.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Go on, I don't know one Media Fox funny up, you know. Yeah, man, people. I say J goes run out, you know. I don't know what Mad Sus doing about. You don't know what this is not Mad Sus right now. You understand? Yeah, man. Where Joy Progress, I say?
Mad sus. Me see in the comment section. I say thank God for TikTok. Mad sus, don't thank God for TikTok, you know. Thank God for Vybz Kartel like dog. Yeah? Thank God for...
Man, yo, that boy J Progress, the man say, yo, thank God if I got a light dog to block. Yo, Jano people, I tell you everything I ricochet, you know. Look at J Progress, usually Vybz Kartel, Vybz Kartel. Look at the man a beat the Gaza now, man. Bomba, dog, me I tell you, bro, place nice, me I tell you.
Vybz Kartel like dog. Because if Vybz Kartel never like dog, would you have a job? Would you have a job if Vybz Kartel never like dog? Me hope say the dog them yam enough and shit will leave so you can keep your job. Let me tell you something, Matsus. As a big man, when I sit down and hear you in an interview say that you dead to Vybz Kartel, would you dead for your mother? Would you dead for your woman? Would you die for your kids? Me a little bit puzzled. Because I never hear a man say that dead for another man yet. So brawling.
And the way man say it, you know, the man give off one woman reaction, you know. The man say, of course. But we don't been hearing things and every little thing, you know. You understand? I just mad sus that. You see me? The man the obsession with Vybz Kartel. According, you know, him say Vybz Kartel I'm daddy. Him adapt him and a bad thing. You understand? So bro, I don't know. Cause years ago when Kartel they road, Mad Sus wasn't that type of name when nobody even a call upon the media or anything. As since Vybz Kartel forward out, and just because, you know, them never talk or try to sell out Kartel, them just bring up this Mad Sus and then him take on the internet and a bag of thing one. You understand? Because when Kartel they road few years ago, nobody never know about Mad Sus or made me Mad Sus. You understand? And since the little case and busting a case and bag of thing. I just that. And through social media get powerful then now. Yeah, but back then, so the man there are just some element where, you see me? Everything I just call, just some youth, a regular youth that. You see it? I just show Kartel, you know, the wrong Kartel and everywhere, but I don't really nobody to society where I do nothing for society, you see me?
And then, me confused. You're not really dead for the other man. You're not really take for your life and give it with Vybz Kartel. Wow. What you think of a Mad Sus? They don't really make no sense for hurt them. Your life and not for you. What sense you make for clean dog shit? You come in the comment section give thanks for TikTok. You need to give thanks for Vybz Kartel and that he likes dog. I me see you do one thing, Mad Sus. Let me ask you, how you feel as a big man? Are your kids proud of you? As a big man, He and my daddy same with a dead for another man. As a big man, for my daddy job is to clean dog shit for him prison charge it. For the rest of your life. Is that all you're gonna do for the rest of your life, Matsus? So what, Matsus? If Kartel don't send you $100, you don't yam. If Kartel don't send you a change, you don't yam. So for the rest of your life as a big man, Matsus, you will be living out of Vybz Kartel pocket when you come like you don't see the post the other day Vybz Kartel make. Vybz Kartel make it clear say, don't make nobody feel like they're entitled to your money. Don't be afraid to say no. Matsus, what go happen when the financial supply get cut off from Vybz Kartel? You have to go up on your site, go work. Number one, Matsus, me see you sell merch. Matsus, who you? What is your claim to fame for people buy your merch? What you do, Matsus? You're no artist, you're no producer, you is nothing at all other than a dog shit cleaner. We take care of Vybz Kartel dog them. So, Matsus, what is your claim to fame that you can make merch? See, you have merch here, me and J Progress. What is your claim to fame, Matsus? What do you do? Who wear your merch then, by the way? Everyone see, are you wear your own merch them? And probably one or two of your friend them. Why make merch if nobody is buying them? Matsus, nobody don't know you. There is no Matsus without Vybz Kartel. If Vybz Kartel top link, you know Matsus, you know exist. Your mere existence is because of Vybz Kartel. No wonder you say that dead fee. Me understand. You're not living your own life, brother. You're living your life is Vybz Kartel extra life.
Yo, I don't. Them money no want, brother. Them money no want nothing for themselves, me G. A cartel, I go give them money. All them money no, brother. Them money exhale and inhale Vybz Kartel, bro. Look on what name, Jeffrey Hype. The man tattoo whole I'm right hand and said that honey off Vybz Kartel. Bro, them money, brother, if them money could have take out them life out of them body and give Vybz Kartel for whole. If their heart could have come out and give Vybz Kartel them do it. The money have no purpose in their life more than just say, yo, Vybz Kartel are then daddy. That's it. All when I know him, are then biological father. Yeah, man. Me I tell you, he come like, for them money, I don't know Vybz Kartel do them money. Me see man them say when they go on Vybz Kartel, they don't know them change. Me don't know, the man convert.
You're living your life for Vybz Kartel. Imagine me as a big man. Have kids, have woman. All your woman look by you. If you know say you live for another man. All your woman say, well, he will never love me like how him love Vybz Kartel. Your kids them say, well, he will never love me like how him love Vybz Kartel. Your family them say, he will never love us like how he love Vybz Kartel. And you say that dead for the man. And you say it. That's how little you value your life. What you there for? What is your purpose, Matsus? How will your kids be proud of you? How will your family be proud of you? If your basic existence on earth is existing for another man. May the Lord be with you, young man. May the Lord be with you. I hope that anytime Vybz Kartel get tired of you, him just tell us to go jump off our bridge because you will do it as well. Because remember, you live for Vybz Kartel. Chronic Law. You never rest until you upgrade your badness. But you also upgrade your prison time. You're looking at 10 years in an American prison because you want to upgrade badness. Canicla, as an artist, we always want your US visa. Me have to wonder if you didn't really premeditate figure America go do fuckery if you end up at jailhouse. We understand when a man get hold on by ice, that is okay. But when you left Jamaica and gone America with illegal strap and one sitting like you think you're running the streets in Jamaica, you don't realize, you know, no matter how we tell you, foreign and Jamaica different.
I'm gonna tell you with Chronic Law now. Chronic Law is just a criminal way just do music. If you realize how Chronic Law do music, Chronic Law release all 300 songs for the year. You know why? Him just want to use that for just getting some money. Him just put out music. Him not care. Him just put out music. And the only reason why them level up Chronic Law is because the Gaza rep him. If Chronic Law wasn't repping with no Gaza or nothing, them wouldn't care about him. Them money, them eat, sleep, badness. You understand? Man just get him visa ready. You know how much artists want visa for go do show and make millions of dollars? And them money gonna foreign and mingle with bag of strap and bag of thing. Them no business, my brother. Them no care. All them money I think about of it. Badness and who better than who link with that Danny and a bag of them little thing, bro. Them money no care about music. If they need care about music, me G. That's why them release music every day. Because them no care. Them no spend some time for just try to make a good music. Him put out all 50 music. You understand? Because look here, him just wants on YouTube views and he carry any money. You understand? Just that them man they want, brother. Them man the music for them is like them a tell you what them are doing in real life. You understand? It's like this. A bad man them. So rather than them tell you like talk to you and tell you, them a tell you musically. And that's just that. The man no care about no music or no artist career, me G. You understand? That's why them a do what them a do. You see me? And you can't, if them not care about themselves, you can't care about them. Them just make the country look bad. Them just make it look like dancehall artists look bad. That's all them do, add negativity and them little thing there. You get your visa, you go USA if you go make money and represent for dancehall. You go over there and mingle with strap and all of them little thing there, brother. No make no sense. You no fear represent dancehall then. Cause one not do just make the country look bad and make the culture look bad. You understand?
Foreign and Jamaica different. When you do a Jamaica and get way, you now go do it a foreign and get way. Canicla, even at the statement them say, two of the gun them were in your music video. Them every day I want to sing about badness, I want to know badness so much. I want to do it, I want to know idea, I want to need. So I want to feel bad and don't study the law. You go just go in our country go bad so. So some dopey bat you did follow back in America then. Look where you end up as the artist. Most artists get one and them never catching no gun. And them little cronies them get strapped for carry. But you know a bad man with no sense. Boy, oh boy. But make Jamaica dancehall artists like mash up them career so. It's like a spell upon Jamaica dancehall artists them. The moment they start do well, it come like them try everything to get prison. Chronicler, you're looking at 10 years in a US prison, brother. Cha-cha. Brother, everything you just stay in Jamaica with the darkness and stay there be a therapy, brother. See there, you run down for it to go away. Prison? You don't look good law, boss. Why?
I don't know, you know. Him look up to Vybz Kartel. Maybe him feel like say if him go prison and found out things are happening like with Vybz Kartel. But brother, when you're there, overseas prison, you know, it's a different thing. You have to understand saying me G. You know really bill, no catalog yet, you know, bill no career yet, you know me G. Them only mash up them career, you know. From Tamil go prison and forward back in a Tamil career mash up, you know. Mash up in a dog. You understand? With Cartel one, remember this, you know. Remember say internet and controversy thing, you know. And through a lot of artists praise Vybz Kartel, make you even see them little thing you go on, you know. You understand? Because most of the artists them go prison, them career dead after that. Me see Laden go prison, him career dead after that. You understand? Actually enough artists bow to Vybz Kartel, so that give him the strength. When him call him and them a link up, him and other people a link up and every little thing. You see me? So them money I don't know. Them money just, I don't know, them love prison, so go on. You see me? But remember this. You know must survive. And your career, you can fall out and your career just dead after that, me G. Because you're going to lose all of your opportunity them. Because you have a bad record. When you apply for Canada visa or apply for this year visa, you know must get it. You're there at Jamaica, how much people are going to book you? These are the things. Them money not care about music and them branding, dog.
You upgrade the badness, but you also upgrade your prison time. Believe when me tell you that. Vybz Kartel, like seriously, this beautiful lady right here, where is she? You force Sidem on us for us to love Sidem and accept Sidem. And now we just can't see Sidem. We concerned Vybz Kartel them need to post up. We don't want no more old picture and no more old videos like what you've been posting. We want to see new picture, recent picture with Sidem. We want to see new video with you and Sidem. We miss Sidem. Where is Sidem? Where you force on us? We will like Sidem. Where is Sidem? Did Sidem walk out on you? What? You tell Sidem so you can't bother marry that? What? Sidem realize who you really is? What? Sidem can't manage a junk and what wrong? We want to see Sidem. We tell us see you now. We need to see them. What really happened to see them? Why did you get so upset when a fan of Sidem, a female who actually likes Sidem, the same Sidem when you push power with? Why you get so upset? What gets you so upset when you hear the question, where is Sidem? Vybz Kartel, you need to post a picture of Sidem. A recent picture. We want to see Sidem where you're there. Because something not right. Something not right. Vybz Kartel, Sidem left you? We want to see a video or a picture with Sidem. We miss Sidem. Sorry, but we love Sidem. We miss her. We concerned about Sidem. Where is Sidem, Vybz Kartel? Something not right. Dear Gaza fans, when you sit down and watch, when you top blogger, yeah, the one with the ball for lion, come at J Progress more than once, and have to run. And I have been getting so many comments under my videos from the Gaza cockroach them. Me love man, me obsessed with Vybz Kartel, me this, me that. So hold on. Couldn't the same thing be said about Uno when you not hear them as an artist? Well, nothing. Vybz Kartel bulletproof from criticism and social media. Uno make it make sense to me there. Uno never know said there would be a top blogger out here when you take buyout. When no matter how much money Vybz Kartel have them can't buy him out. Uno never did know that. Uno never did know said there's a blogger out here where uno can't take down. Where uno can't bully over social media. Where uno can't attack him in a comment section and shake him. Uno never know say top blogger they out here when you rate Vybz Kartel. Well, uno think everybody who says something uno like about Vybz Kartel, uno bam rush them comment section, attack them online, blah blah blah, and them run gaga height. Hello, a J Progress this. A different type of blogger. Uno forgot once upon a time, back in a time, in a one time, I was the top blogger for the Gaza. Uno know lethal I was then? Uno remember? So if I was so lethal then, blogging for the Gaza, uno really feel say uno have a blogger in the Gaza capable of taking on J Progress and taking him down? Why would I drink? One day if I drink too much street vibes rum over there, you will not rum than drunkard. Gaza fans, let me tell you something. Just like every other artist to get them beaten, a Vybz Kartel time. Vybz Kartel left on the straight and narrow, so he might go get him beaten. You know if you understand, every blogger out here no take buyout. And I know every blogger out here who can take down. How much time when you try to take down J Progress? You don't realize it can't work. When we say we are top blogger out here. Think about it. When I was blogging for Gaza, which boy could have passed? So why you feel say no, me not blog for Gaza? You not able to pass? Me see some little cockroach run all about the place and I say J Progress this, J Progress that. But guess what? Some of them me don't know them name. Them not have no name. Me never see them yet. The cry want the ball for lion pan a regular. You don't realize how much time him try after J Progress till him realize me can't take on the blogger here. That one is bigger than me, me have to love him. How much other try, them gone in a hiding. Remember good. When J Progress at work, uno little Gaza cockroach, uno stay in a sewer. You hear me I say? Stay in a manual, uno sewer and shut uno mouth and make J Progress go to work. Vybz Kartel scratch. Me, J Progress, I see out here. Ask anybody how J Progress build on TikTok. And the woman them build J Progress on TikTok. And as long as I dep on TikTok, I will be standing and advocating for woman. So when you think Vybz Kartel have the right and get a free pass to disrespect woman out here and do him want to, it don't work now here there. It don't work now here there. So, since you know a big blogger, and you can take down every blogger, and you can corral them comment section and scare them off and bully them, J Progress out here ready for you. If you know so much of a big blogger who run social media, take on J Progress. Because you remember, you go on back, go watch when J Progress was blogging for Gaza. And see how them were afraid upon social media. It is no different. Lethal blogging for Gaza and lethal blogging out here independently. And defending any artist that you get defend. I am blogging for dancehall. Kartel no get no more ratings than nobody else around here.
That's the thing, you know. Yo, the man them just feel like say a one dancehall artist in the game. And that is why when Alkaline say, yo, me rate Vybz Kartel, like him say, him respect Vybz Kartel like any other artist in a dancehall, it cause a problem. Because them feel like say, oh, Vybz Kartel this or Vybz Kartel that. Cause Vybz Kartel is an artist in a dancehall, same like every other artist, my G. You understand? That's why it name dancehall artist Vybz Kartel, dancehall artist Alkaline, dancehall artist Massacre. There's no difference when it comes to representation of dancehall. So no feel like says Kartel is this special artist. Yes, special artist to who I'm fans, who will look up to him, but not to everybody. You understand? So when them ask Alkaline say, oh, you think say I'm a regular artist, Ray. Yes, a Kartel is a great artist. You understand? Him put in the work. We put him at that level there. You understand? A man say him respect Vybz Kartel like any other artist. It's no difference. It not belittle him or nothing. Respect or respect. You only can respect one time. There's no different way of respect. You understand? So that them think say, oh, Vybz Kartel is him forget better treatment, better this, better that. Him a represent for dancehall, him a put out music like any other artist. You understand? So I feel them think that. You see me? And everybody think.
Remember good. For me realize the Cartel bad mind enough of the young artists them. And like siphon them energy and siphon them little fame. Skipper Dan, be careful. You see you make a little run now and get your rotation, Skipper Dan. Be careful. What them about do is try friend you and try to collab with you. Try to siphon your little energy. Skipper Dan, go and do what you're doing. Skilly bang. Protect your career. And not jump in and not foolish with Vybz Kartel and mash up your little career where you go on. Simple as that. Believe it, me tell you.
People, be up on yourself, you know. If they want to go mash up them career because I'm man, you know, cause him the overseas are doing things signed to a label. You there in a dance hall, I try mingling and this and that. If you want to dash a film career and do film career, you know, cause them no business about him. Me see when Squash a War Alkaline and the man them say, yo, Gaza stands alone. After them, I defend the Gaza thing, you know. But that's how it go. When in a trouble, you know, some of the time people don't really care. But I want them think that people big up on themselves, don't know. I want media for span up, you know. Yeah, man, respect. That is it.